Hello good day viewers, let me show you the right and the wrong way to solve this problem. We're asked to solve the equation x minus 1 to the power of 3 equal to 1. Let's start with the wrong way. The wrong way to solve this problem is to take cube root of both sides. We have to the left x minus 1 as you take the cube root of the left hand side, and this is equal to the cube root of 1, and cube root of 1 is equal to 1. So we have x minus 1 equal to 1. If you take negative 1 to the other side, you have x equal to 1 plus 1. And finally, x equal to 2 as the only valid solution. Though 2 is a solution, but if you observe the degree of this equation is 3, therefore you should expect 3 solutions. Suppose the question reads, solve for the real values of x in this equation. Definitely you are right, but the question said solve, therefore you are expected to find all the 3 solutions. So let me show you the right way to solve this problem. The right way to solve this problem is to bring all terms to the left hand side. To the left hand side already we have x minus 1 to the third power. As 1 crosses over, it becomes negative 1, and this is equal to 0. And you know that 1 is the same thing as 1 to the third power, so you can naturally attach 3 here. And this is now difference of 2 cubes. And how can we simplify difference of 2 cubes? Remember, if you have a cubed minus b cubed, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus a multiplied by b, then plus b squared, where our a is x and b is 1. So now let us use this to factorize this. This is now equal to a, which is x minus 1, right? From here, this is a. Then minus b, b is 1, so we subtract 1 again. Then we multiply a squared, that is x minus 1 squared. Then a times b, which means what? X minus 1 multiplied by b, which is 1. Then plus b squared, that is what? 1 squared. X minus 1 will be x minus 2. So we have x minus 2 right here. Let us expand this. We have the first term squared, that is what? X squared. Then 2 times x times negative 1 will give us negative 2x. Then negative 1 squared is 1. Then we add the whole of this will give us x minus 1, because x minus 1 times 1 is still x minus 1. Then plus 1. This 2 will give us 0, right? And we have x minus 2 here multiplied by x squared minus 2x plus x will give us what? Negative x. Then plus 1. The whole of this equal to 0. Remember to equate this to be equal to 0. So it implies that either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x squared minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now you can see that we're going to obtain 3 solutions, because this will give us 2 and this is 1 solution. If you take negative 2 to the other side, you have x equal to 2, which is one of the solutions. Then here, this is a quadratic equation. Let us find discriminant first. D, remember, is equal to b squared minus 4ac. D is now equal to, remember, b is the coefficient of x, which is negative 1 squared, minus 4 multiplied by a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is 1. Then c is also 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. Minus 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. So you can see that this will give us what? Negative 3. And negative 3 is less than 0. Therefore, we should expect a complex solution. So now let us apply the formula. X will be equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of d divided by 2a. X is now equal to minus b Remember that b is -1, so -1 will give us +1. So we have +1 plus or minus the square root of d. D is -3, so we have -3 right here. Divide by 2 multiplied by a, and a is 1. If you simplify this, you have 1 plus or minus the square root of -3 will be what? Square root of 3i. Divide by 2 times 1 is 2. This is equal to x. And x could now be equal to either 1 plus the square root of 3i divided by 2, or x equal to 1 minus the square root of 3i divided by 2. Remember previously we have x equal to 2. And hence, these are the 3 solutions for this simple equation. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.